start dropshipping from scratch in 2022. If you're trying to establish a dropshipping business to make some extra money on the side, then SaleWho is perfect. The money earned from dropshipping could help provide you with funds to start your own e-commerce store with your own unique items. SaleWho offers a flat price of $67 for access for a whole year, plus a new option that gives lifetime access for $127. The pricing for SaleWho is seen as very competitive within its market. Worldwide Brands, one of the biggest competitors to SaleWho, offer a comprehensive directory of wholesale products which is upwards of 16 million. However, Worldwide Brands membership costs $299. SaleWho offers you the choice of over 1,000 trusted dropship suppliers. All of these companies have been vetted and assessed by SaleWho so that you can be confident that they can be trusted. There are cases of people not using someone like SaleWho and going straight to the supplier, only to find that they weren't genuine, and this is where money can get lost. As SaleWho is geared towards supporting e-commerce entrepreneurs in the early stages of their journey, it's vital that they get their training and support right. Looking at talk online from sellers, it's evident that SaleWho has fantastic customer support. Their support is available via live chat, and they are also available via telephone and email. Spot a cash. Is it possible?